Hello friends, welcome back. In this lecture, we will cover string and template literals. So before we start, I just want to explain some string related things. We saw that string generally we write a string in the single quote or double quote, and we display that in our console in JavaScript. So let's take one example how that string and template literals are different from each other. So we'll start creating some variables like first name is equal to Santosh. In constant we will vary another one job is a programmer. Third variable const birth year. A fourth variable is year, and that is current year. We will write here current year. Okay, current year 2024. Okay, so in the first statement, we'll write how we create the string out of this data. So in the first example, we will create one string let's declare one variable like statement one, and we will write a string out of this data. So I want to say like I am a Santosh, 34-year-old programmer. So how I can write that? Suppose I am writing here I am. So it will not work, right? This symbol will not work here like this. So we will need to write that into a double quote here. I am. This works nice. So plus plus is like concatenation of the string, and I'm writing a first name plus let's take another string. We need like comma a plus years old programmer. uh, Programmer. We need a programmer, right? Job. We can mention what we missed here. I think I am here. We can say Santosh. We missed here year. So I will write here before that. Current year is 2024. That is current year minus birth year. So when we display this output on the console, how it looks like, we can see here. Statement one. Okay. We can see here, I am a Santosh, a 34-year-old programmer. We can see there is no gap in between I am Santosh and a 34 years and old. So this is a very hectic job. Like every time we give the space, I am a, if you see, it got space here again. Again, if you want to give the space after the 34, we can see we can give like 34 years, before years, we can give space like this. So it will show like this. So every time this is very hectic job. So to avoid all the this kind of issues, like again we have to give plus to concatenate variable with our string. So that is also one of the hectic job, we will say, in this in the way we write the string here. So to avoid such a hectic thing, we will write the string, or we will write that statement in by using template literals. So we will display the same result by using template literals. That's a easy way to display the string in the JavaScript. So I will just declare that statement to const statement to here. And how I can write that? Just in this template literal, we always have to provide backtick here. The backtick is on the just above the tab button on our keyboard, and we can write in a simple. We don't have to provide the plus here like this. We don't have to give the single quote or double quote, anything like this. So it's a easy way to display the string here. So only thing is that we have to provide the backtick, and inside that backtick we have to provide the whatever the string we want to display, and we can incorporate our variable into that string as well. I will show you how we can do that. So here I am first name, we want to display the first name should come dollar, and this one closing bracket. I am Santosh, we can say I am a first name, comma again we can give this declaration like so we can give this variables also. After that, I am a see I am a first, we can give dollar first name, comma again these variables, we can say current year minus birth date, it will calculate here, and it gives the result here, years old, and we have to give this job. Okay, and we can directly display on the console. Now we can see the result for this. Uh, Sorry, there is some error here. We can check that. What is the error we can see? Console, sorry, we have to console, we have to give the console.log, and we can see here. Now you can see a difference here, like if you see, I have provided I am here Santosh, a 34-year old. How simply we can display that string, and the earlier was a very complex one, or it's a complex as compared to the template literals, and most of the programmer use this template literals only for because it is a very easy way to write the any string or anything like that. So you can see here, like we don't have the problem of adding this. Problem means we don't have to add the plus, and we don't have to provide the single quote double quotes here. It's a simply we have to give the backtick here. Again we have to write our string, and whatever wherever we get the variables like this, first name, job, birth, the year, current year, so we have to mention that into a dollar closing bracket. That's it. Main thing is that backtick and a string, and if there is any variable, a dollar bracket. And if we have a calculation, we can do the that calculation inside that dollar bracket only, to, and that will get displayed by using console.log. So this is the very easy way of displaying any string on the console. So I hope you understood this difference between string and template literals. So another thing I want to cover this here. Uh, Next thing is suppose we want to display multiple lines in the JavaScript. Okay, we will take another example of like we will display multiple lines using old method. Old method means by using single quotes or here single quotes or double quotes in the console.log and with you by using template literals. How it looks like? Let's see. So I will display by using single quote here. So M Santosh, and I want to give the I want to give go to next line. So how we can do? If you go like this and it will give error here. You can if I write I am Santosh, 34 year something like that year. So this will give error. So to avoid this error, what we have to do? Backslash and en again backslash. So this will solve the issue. So you can see here I am Santosh 34 year. We can write this backslash n backslash in JavaScript to write the string in multiple lines. And to avoid this means more coding by using the template literals, that is backtick, we can simply write multiple lines with we don't have to provide any additional code like backslash n and backslash. So write this. So same string I am writing by using template literals here. I'm just giving a backtick here and writing the same string here. I am Santosh. Now I'm going to the second line, 34 year. You can see it is not giving any issue. We can say directly it is result is getting displayed without any error. We saw that. So I hope you guys have understood the difference between string and template literals and how it works in the JavaScript. And using template literals is a very easy way of writing the code in the JavaScript. So and most of the programmer prefer to write this kind of code into by using a template literals only instead of writing a string, because string has a multiple what we can say additional code required for that, we have to write the plus single quote double quotes like this. So I hope you understood the difference between string and template literals. Thank you guys.